Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Kautilya IAS. So guys, if you are new to the channel, first make sure hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified each time we upload a new video. So guys, in this video we are going to be talking about best book for animal husbandry and veterinary science optional. So guys, in this video I'll suggest some of the best books for animal husbandry and veterinary science optional for UPSC. So guys, if you are an aspirant whose optional is this subject, that is animal husbandry and veterinary science, that's quite a mouthful, right? I mean, it's quite a long name. So anyway guys, no matter if your background is from this subject, that is if your graduation was done in this subject, if you are not, doesn't matter, the books I'm going to suggest you are going to be really helpful for you. So guys, just let me quickly go through what is animal husbandry. Like if someone is brand new looking at this video, who is just a beginner, then animal husbandry is a science of care of ranch creatures by people. The term can allude to the practice of selectively raising and breeding livestock to enhance the advantageous traits in animals for different utility. Aspirants who have academic background in agriculture, biotechnology, life sciences, botany, dairy and other related fields can opt this as their optional subjects. UPSC aspirant with no prior knowledge of this particular field should not opt it. So yes guys, when it comes to animal husbandry, if you are from the mentioned backgrounds, then it's better you opt this, or else it's going to be a bit hard for you, because this is not very easy subject to understand like for everyone. And that's why I keep saying guys, make sure the choice for your optional you do very careful, because it's going to either help you make or break it in the final exams guys. So anyway, let me just start with the name of the books. So guys, A Guide on Forest Entomology, Raghupati; A Textbook of Animal Husbandry, G.C. Banerjee; Advanced Animal Nutrition, D.V. Reddy; Agricultural Economics, S. Subha Reddy; Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Science, T. and Palani Velu; Animal Husbandry, Gyandeep Singh, Anmol Publishers; Animal Psychology, K. A. Goyal, Rastogi Publishing; Animal Physiology, Kavita Juneja, Anmol Publishers; Basics of Animal Psychology, Mona Lisa Kerr, Anmol Publishers; Biotechnology, Expanding Horizons, B.D. Singh, Kalyani Publishers; Essential of Plant Breeding, Fundan Singh, Kalyani Publishers; Fundamentals of Agriculture, Volume 1, Arun Katyayan, Kushal Publications; Fundamentals of Agriculture, Volume 2, Aryan Katyayan, Kushal Publications. So yes guys, these were some of the books that I think are going to be really helpful for you if you are an aspirant who has taken the optional animal husbandry and veterinary science as their subject. So yes guys, these were some of the best books that I think you should definitely consider during your preparation. So guys, along with this I would also like to take the name of online Khan market. So guys, obviously these books you have to go out and buy somewhere, right? But during such a situation like the one we are in right now, it's not recommended you go out and waste your time. Instead, if there was a place where you can find all the materials, not only the books for optional guys, like for every other thing, for mains preparation, for mock test and everything, then it would be great. Like so yes guys, online Khan market is a place which has pretty much everything and anything that you can think about when it comes to UPSC preparation guys. All the study material and all the books are listed there on their website pretty neatly guys. You just have to check them out. Pretty sure all the books that I have mentioned are also there on their website. You just need to go there and choose it for any subject guys. And it makes the entire process of procuring the books for UPSC preparation very easy guys. And along with that guys, like I've said, since there are books for mains and like test series and everything, it's like you are getting everything under one roof. So yes guys, online Khan market, keep the name in your head, is going to be very beneficial for you. Along with that guys, I would also like to take the name of Plutus IAS, because guys, when it comes to study material, Plutus IAS is providing the best guys, where everything is written in a very neat and compact form, where like information of 10 to 12 pages are concentrated in just one page, but in such an effective manner, guys, that information of all the 10 pages are present there. So guys, it not only reduces time but also help the aspirant to go through everything in a very effective manner, guys. So yes guys, these were some of my recommended books, and along with that I would also like to recommend Online Khan Market and Plutus IAS. Keep those names in your head, guys. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if it did help you even a little bit, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, keep preparing.